Hey there, I'm Marie Lally.
And I'm Tony Valeri.
And we're realtors with O'Brien Realty in Southern Maryland.
Tony and I made fish tacos tonight for dinner and they turned out great. We picked up shrimp, grouper, and some other fish today from Mckays in Leonardtown in St. Mary's County. We decided to pull out the deep fryer rather than going healthy and grilled. You know, sometimes you just have to eat fried food. Tony dipped the fish and shrimp in an egg mixture, then rolled everything in Panko breadcrumbs. He then fried the fish and shrimp to a golden brown. I made a simple slaw out of cabbage, carrots, Italian parsley, and lime juice. I know the recipe calls for cilantro, but I personally do not like cilantro. To me, it tastes like soap. I also cut up a nicely ripened avocado and added a little bit of lime juice to help keep its color. Then I chopped up an onion and a local hothouse tomato that we picked up from Stauffer's in Loveville. Again, I added a little bit of lime juice to this mixture. My sauce was very simple, made with sour cream, mayo, lime, garlic powder, and hot sauce. I did not have small taco-sized flour tortillas at home, but I had low-carb fajita-sized flour tortillas, and they worked out just fine. This was our first try at making fish tacos, and I think they turned out pretty good.